Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kalaiva. Today we are going to see class 2 subject EVS, topic is we need shelter. Shelter means living place, the habitat is called the shelter, no. So we have to see in this lesson about our shelter. See, how do your houses protect us? Why do we need house? You know that no, we need house. Why means in the house only we can feel safe and comfortable. Just you imagine if the house is not there, we are living the outside means how will you feel? We are not feel comfortable, no. So we need house. If the house only we can feel safe and comfortable. Then we are protect from rain, sun, and then cold, wind, and then wild animals, everything. So house only protect us from the rain, sunlight, and then heavy wind, wild animals, from some other insects bites, from thief. So everything we can save from the house. Okay. So why do we need house means? We need house, we feel safe and comfortable inside our house, that's why we need a house. Then house protect us from heat, sun, cold, wind, and then wild animals. Then where do early humans live? See, nowadays we are living in house, okay, but the early humans, they didn't know how to make a house. So where they lived means, they see in the early humans they lived in caves. It is caves is the stone, the mountain like that, the small mountains are making the small hole will be there. So they lived in the caves. Then they lived in the tree park is there, no? The big trees having the stem of the big tree having some holes, there also they have lived. So because the early humans don't know how to make a house, that's why they lived in this like a caves, tree parks like that. But nowadays we know that how to build the different types of houses is there. We can build many type of houses. So we can build houses. Then what are the houses made up of means? Houses is used lot of the things to build. What are the things as means? One is the mud and straw, stones, like this materials are used to build our houses. What is mud? Mud means you know that the soil, the clayey soils, clay soils is there, it is called the mud. And straw means the rice paddy is there, that is straw. So like this materials, because they can get the easily from that peoples. Village peoples can get these materials easily, so they are used these like materials to build their houses. See, next one, types of houses. We know that the main houses are divided into two types. We can say houses in two types. What is that? One is the kacha house. See, one is the kacha house. Kacha houses means I told the very cheapest materials used for build houses, like that hut. This is the hut, we know that, this is the hut. These huts is called the kacha house. Why these houses are called the kacha house means they need only simple materials. What are the materials they available from their near place? People using to make these houses, it is called the kacha house. This kacha house is example for hut. Next one is the pakka house. Second one is pakka house. Pakka houses means lot of the materials, very costly materials are used to build like this houses. It is called the pakka house. So kacha houses means it is very simple. Poor people can build like this kacha houses, and then rich people can make like this pakka houses. Same again the houses we can divide them according to the temporary. We can say the houses are two types. How they means? One is the temporary house, another one is the permanent house. You know that temporary means these houses are it is a very temporary house. Temporary means we can move this house wherever we need, we can move these houses. So like these houses are called the temporary house. Okay. Then permanent houses means they are very permanent. We cannot move these houses from one place to another place. So like these houses are called the permanent house. Are you clear, children? Houses are two types. One is the Pakka house, another one is the Kacha house. Pakka houses means rich people can use a lot of the materials, build their houses. Like these houses are called the Pakka house. Kacha house means hut, like this simple materials are used to build like these houses. It is called the hut is called the Kacha house. Okay. Again we can say houses are two type. What are the purpose means? If the houses we can move one place to another means that houses are called the temporary house. Temporary means in the particular time they can use that houses, afterwards we can remove the houses that place. Again wherever we need we can build these houses. It is the temporary house. For example, tent house, caravans, igloos, like these houses, and then stilt house. These are all example for the temporary house. Why means they can move one place to another place. Wherever we need we can build at the time, afterwards we can remove the house. Okay. Then next one I told no, permanent house. Permanent means once we build in the house in one place means afterwards we cannot move these houses from there. So like these houses are permanent house. It will be 100 years or more than years we can stay in the house. For example, apartments, flats, big bungalows, these are all called the permanent house. Are you clear? Even the hut also we can say permanent house only, because hut can also live in some years. Okay. See. See, what are houses made up of? I told you no, what are the materials are used for build their houses means we can say two. I told you no, the two type of houses. Two type of houses I told no, Kacha house and Pakka house. Already we saw Kacha houses are used to build mud, straw and then stones, like that materials, because they can easily available from their places. So the village people can get easily from near our house, near their house. So they are building like this Kacha houses. What are the materials are used for that? See, it is the wall is there, no? This wall is made up of the mud. Mud means the soil is no, the clayey soil and red soil. This like soils are used to prepare the wall. Okay, the walls are used to build like a soil. Then the roof is there, no? This roof, the roof is used to make straw. Straw means I don't know, the paddy, rice plant is there, no? That is the paddy. The stem of the rice plant is called the paddy. So this paddy is used to make a roof, and then bamboo leaf, like that materials are used to make a roof. So what are the things they can get from near place? They build these like houses. These houses having only one room, isn't it? So it cannot be built as a big size, it will be in a small in size, as well as it has only one room. Even every year it need to repair, because this roof is not strong. So every year they are repair this roof. So it is the hut house. Hut house is the Kacha house. Then next we saw that no, Pakka house. Pakka house I told no, the rich people can make like this Pakka houses. What are the Pakka houses means? See, they are using bricks, cement, and then they used the stones, rods, iron rods, like this lot of the materials they used. See, we can see here no, these houses compared, then this see, this Pakka house compared then this hut house, the house's size is also very big, as well as it is very permanent. No need to repair every year. It will be very permanent and strong house compared than the Kacha house. Okay, why means the using material is only the different from the hut house, and that means a Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house only the straw and mud, no, it will be easily destroyed from the rain or a sunlight like this. But this pakka houses are used cement and then sand. Next iron rods, stones, like this lot of the costly materials are used for that building this like pakka houses. So these houses are very strong, no need to repair, and then it will be very permanent, isn't it? So rich people can you make this like a pakka houses. Then see types of houses, these are not temporary, permanent house, everything houses we have to see one by one. First we have to see hut house. First we have to see hut house. Hut means we know that no, it is made up of the mud and straw, already we saw. The windows and doors are there, no, it is the windows and doors. Already we know windows, doors are used for the sunlight and fresh air enter into inside the house. That's why each and every house is having the windows and doors. Okay. Then I told the mostly village peoples can make this hut houses. It has only one room and then they are not very strong. I told why the reason. Then they have to rebuild or repair every year because the materials are not strong, so they want to repair every year. Next, second we have to see about bungalows. Bungalows we know very well, no? Bungalows means see bungalows. Second house we have to say about bungalow. Bungalow are mostly found in towns and cities. Towns and cities. Mostly rich people are live in the towns, we know very well. So they have rich people, no, so they can buy like that costly materials, so they make like a big houses. These bungalows, one family can live in this bungalows. It will be very big in house. Many rooms are as there in the house, and then in some houses they having car parking and then swimming pools like that. A lot of the facilities available in this house, isn't it? See, I told no, it has the many rooms, it is very big house, and then it has the garden, swimming pool, car parking, lot of the facilities will be there in the bungalows. Then we have to see multi-story buildings. Multi-stored buildings. Multi-stored buildings means apartments. In the city sites we can see like these apartments. These apartments it is built one on top. One on top means each floor having many houses. In each floor having the lot of the families can live in the same building. Isn't it? Many families will be stay in the same building. These buildings are made up of one on top. Like these houses are called the multi-storied buildings or the apartments. Apartments are flat like this, we can say this. Okay. See, I told no, many houses can live, and then it mostly found in big cities. It mostly found in big cities, and then these houses are called flats or apartments. This multi-storied house is also called flat or apartment. Then they are built one on top on another. I told no, we can see small boxes like this is there. No, each and every boxes is here one of the house. Each and every box is having one family. So many families can live in this one building. It is called the apartment. Then stilt house. Next we have to see about stilt house. From the three houses we saw, no, they are all permanent house. They build in one place means they cannot replace another place. They are what is the permanent house. Now we have to see 5 type of houses. They are all called the stilt house. One is the stilt house. Stilt house means we know very well. We can see in this picture, see, the houses built on the top of the some distance will be maintained from the ground floor, because these some places having often they are getting the lot of the rain flood like that, they are getting the many natural disasters. So many disasters will be happen, many losses will be happen. So that's why these peoples are built like this stilt houses. They are constructed from just above from the ground. These houses are called the stilt house. It is made up of only the wooden materials, wood, bamboo, like this lightweight materials, because if the flood or natural disaster anything happen means many losses, and then maybe the human beings will get the injured or some other losses will be happen. So they are using the lightweight materials. See, they given here. Stilt houses are found in place where it rains heavily. I told no, some places get often heavy rain. So these peoples are built like the stilt houses. Then these houses are built made up of wood or bamboo. Wood or bamboo can float on the water, as well as it is very lightweight. So any issues will be happen. It will not happen. That's why they are using like this bamboo and then wood materials. Next, they are built little above the ground. I told you no, this is the ground. It built on the little above on the ground, because the flood will happen. It's moving means it can run through this gap. So they are building little above the ground. Next, they have sloping roofs. We know that no, sloping roofs, because they are getting the rainfall like that, no. So this sloping roofs help them to slow down the rainfall and snowfall. So they are having like this sloping roofs. See, next we have to see about houseboats. Houseboats means boat house. We know that no, the name like a name, this house also looking like on the boat. It is the house. We can see no, it is the house. What are the uses, what are the facilities we can get from our house? As the same facilities we can get from this houseboats also. Only one difference is our house never move anywhere, but this boat house can move wherever we need. We can float on water, like in stay in the house we can float on. Okay, so these houses are built on the boat. So these houses are called the boat houses. See, they are called floating houses because they are floating on water, no. So these boat houses are called the floating houses. Then tourists often live in this like a houses. Tourist means they have to moving one place to another, no. So they need one safety places like a house. So they are using like these boat houses. See, next one is the igloo. We know that about igloo. Igloo is made up of ice and snow. Igloo is made up of ice and snow. Because some places are very snowy places, so they cannot use some other materials. So they are using like the snows to build their houses. Some ice blocks are used for build these houses. It is very thick. The Eskimos can live in this inside of the house. We can see this, no? It is called the igloo. See, igloos are made up of the blocks of ices. Ice blocks are used to make like this houses. Then they are found in places that are covered with the snow. They are covered with the snow throughout the year. Throughout the year, these places are looking like a snow. That's why they are using the same snow to build their houses. So who is living in this house means Eskimos are called living in this houses, isn't it? See, next we have to see about tent house. Tent house means mostly the trekking peoples are using like this tent houses. Tent houses, it is made up of, the material is there, no? This material is called the canvas. This material is called, it is actually a thick cloth. It is a very thick cloth. This cloth is used to build like these houses. After the moving from these places means we can fold this this canvas cloth, and then wherever we can move, we can carry easily these houses. Wherever we need, we can build again these houses, isn't it? See, I told no, the tent house are made up of canvas or plastic. Canvas or plastic, because the plastic cannot allow to enter the rainwater inside, no. So they are using like this canvas or plastic materials to build like this tent houses. Then they are used when people camp in the open. I don't know, camp, the NCC, NSS, like this camp people using like this houses. Then they can be folded and carry easily anywhere. See, next we have to see about caravans. Caravans means, see, caravans means it is looking like a van. It is looking like a vehicle, van, okay. But inside this van, what are the uses, what are the facilities we can get in our house? What are the facilities we have? The kitchen room, bedroom, bathroom, restroom, many things is available in inside our house, no? The same, all the rooms, all the facilities we can get in this as the same in this inside the vehicle also. So these houses are called the see, these houses are called houses on wheels. We saw that boat houses are called floating house because they are floating on water. So it is called the floating house. The same like this caravans also called the houses on wheels. See, the wheels are there, on the wheels the house is built or no. So that's why the caravans are called the houses on wheels. Wherever they can move from these houses. They it is but all the safeties, all the comfortables will be there in the caravans, isn't it? That's all, children. This is the lesson over. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.